What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we do barber vlogs, barber reviews, anything having to do with barber content you can find on this channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And we're gonna jump into an unboxing. As you've seen by the thumbnail, we got the FX3 trimmer. We already did the FX3 clipper. I reviewed those, gave you guys my overall synopsis of what I thought about the clipper. But this is the FX3 trimmer, as you can see there. And we'll go ahead and dive into this box and let you guys see what comes inside the box and everything that, all the specs and all that stuff, all the good stuff, all the information that you need to determine whether or not you want to buy this clipper, or this trimmer rather. So let's hop into this box and let's hop into the rest of this video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Right, so we have the FX3 trimmer, like I said. So this is the box FX3, Babyliss Pro FX3 on the top, as you can see there. Professional high torque trimmer. We got French, Spanish there. Titanium carbon nitrate, standard tooth, ultra thin T blade, zero gap adjustable. 360 exposed blade, so you can see all the way around the blade. High efficiency, high torque brushless engine, 7,200 RPM, lithium polymer battery, 4-hour runtime, ultra thin ergonomic housing, 4-stage LED battery indicator. So each one comes down. You can see if it's at a quarter, if it's 3/4, 4/4, all that right there, full or empty. So on the side here, we have the trimmer, FX3 professional high torque trimmer. On the bottom, QR code. And then on the side here, more information, as you can see there. I'm not going to read all that. If you guys are interested in reading that, pause the video, read the overview right there, and you can do all that. But here is the top, FX3 Babyliss Pro. And then we'll go ahead and dive into the box and see what we got. There is the trimmer. We're not going to take a look at the trimmer right off the bat. We'll go ahead and put this aside for a second. So right here inside of our box, you have your Babyliss Pro FX3 user manual and instructions. And then you have a charging cord, of course, which goes into the trimmer. And then you have your oil, you have a brush, and you have a little screwdriver here that'll help you to adjust the zero gapping on the blade. It's like a hex screwdriver. And then you have, of course, your wristband that you could throw on the trimmer if you are scared to drop it. But we're gonna throw all this back in the box, and we are going to take a look at the actual trimmer. All right, everybody, so we have the trimmer here. There is our power switch. You have your 4-level LED indicator. You have your blade, of course. There is the FX3. FX703B is the actual model number of the blade. And these do come pretty zero gapped, very zero gapped, if you could see there. So these are going to be slicing and hitting with no problem at all. So I'm very excited to get these into the shop and see how they operate. We'll go ahead and turn it on and give you a little bit of a sound test first off. So they sound very powerful. I like the shape of it. It's kind of like a Andis Slimline Pro, but with a bit of a curve here at the top, which makes it a little bit more ergonomic when you are edging up like foreheads. So say this is the forehead and this is the trimmer. Instead of being flush, it's more at an angle, which makes it a lot easier. And also having that 360-degree view allows you to get around tight corners, around the ear, stuff like that. But as you can see here, we have a little indentation for your finger. And you have that carbon fiber look like you had on the clipper, which I think is pretty dope. You have that on the front as well. FX3 branding, Babyliss Pro, and this is where your actual charging cord will go into the bottom of the trimmer. So I'm excited to get these in the shop. We'll get them in the shop and use them on a couple clients and see how they operate, see how they slice, see how they balled out, see how they edge up, and maybe even do a design or two if I can get those inside the shop with this video. But stay tuned, we'll get in the shop. What's good, everybody? We are at the demonstration portion of this video. We are going to be doing some design work here. We're going to be doing some line work, keeping it super sharp. These trimmers keep it very precise. They execute the job well. They're very compact. The way the trimmer is shaped, I'd like to say that this is a more upgraded version of the Andis Slimline GTX. So it's very maneuverable if you're doing design work and stuff like that, getting around the ear. It's very easy to hold. The divots in the back and just the overall shape makes it very convenient. If you're looking to upgrade from something like a Slimline Pro or a the FX3, the red edition, I'd say this is a go-to. If you are a fan of the Gold FX blade, you will be a fan of this FX3 blade for this specific black edition. It's very precise, like I said. One thing you have to be very cautious of is how sharp the blade is. If you have a heavy hand, I'd be very, very cautious in how you operate it, because it does create very, very sharp lines. I myself have a very light hand, so I was able to not irritate anybody's skin or anything like that. The redness that you see on the client is actually from the color that she had put in it initially, so that's not any irritation or anything like that. But you can see here, different textures of hair. It operates well. I was thoroughly pleased with this product. So like I said, if you are looking to upgrade from something like the Slimline, I'd check this out. I know there's a lot of different thin trimmers out there. You got like the Slimline, the Bespoke from Andis, which is a newer one. You have the FX3, which is the red one, and many other ones out there. So this one, I haven't tried all of those, but this one right here in particular was great. The battery life lasted very well. I cut a whole day with it, and it didn't run out at all. So the battery life is great. As far as the FX3 clipper, I feel like the battery life didn't last as long, but this is just, you know, I like the all black. That was one of the reasons why I had bought the trimmer as well, because I did do the FX3 black clipper and wanted to review these as well. So like I said, if you're looking to check something out new, and you are a fan of the Slimline shape, check these out and you'll be pleased. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. If you are looking for more reviews, let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see, and until next time, God bless.